check this out. One of the coolest dash cams I've ever seen. This is from IIWEY. This is going to be a 4-channel recording. You can see I'm recording myself there. I even have a passenger cam. There's my forward camera and my backwards camera. And I even have my trailer hooked up. So I can also see what's going on in my trailer. This is going to be live loop recording. They're going to give you a 128 gig hard drive already, or SD card already installed. You can connect your phone to it too as well by getting the app. There's a QR code you'll scan, get the app, you can connect to Wi-Fi. So you can offload that content off into your phone and then share it to your social media accounts. These are adjustable too as well. So you can angle these left and right. You can see there, same for your passenger. And then that does come off. So this is a sticky mount here. So it does lift off if you wanted to take this off. I do have this running. I tucked mine all the way up and under here and all the way around to the back for the rear camera. So you can see here, I have a rear camera. And again, it's 4-channel recording. You have a nice little menu here that you can navigate to. It's also going to record your speed. It's going to have 48-hour monitoring too. So if someone bumps you while you're parked, it'll record that too as well. With a G sensor, it'll trigger on. You can control your volume, gravity sensing, language, GPS, speed unit, and you can set a lot of this into the app. So once you connect in the app, it'll automatically set everything up for you. That's probably my suggestion because I already have the date and time already accurately in there. It's going to tell you which your GPS too as well, miles per hour, and then that picture-in-picture. So we can cycle through too as well to go full screen. So if I just wanted to see forward or if I want to go back, I can see my trailer when I'm driving, almost like a rear view camera. And having that just, always on is nice too as well. Kind of like leaving it like that so I can just kind of monitor real quickly what's going on behind me. So awesome 4-channel dash cam that's always recording. 128 gig SD card's already pre-installed when you get it. 4 cameras, passenger, yourself, rear, forward. Great for if you're a driver and you pick up people. This will be great too as well for just a security and for your peace of mind. So shout out to IIWEY for gifting me this so I could do this review. Check it out.